Have you noticed simple things like climbing stairs or carrying groceries suddenly feel harder than they used to? Is your balance not what it once was? Or maybe your energy fades faster than you'd like. You're not alone, and it's not your fault. After 60, our bodies naturally lose muscle. In fact, most people don't realize this happens to everyone, even if you eat well and stay active. But here's the good news. You don't need a gym. You don't need expensive supplements. And you certainly don't need to accept weakness as a part of aging, because there are natural, powerful powders that are helping thousands of seniors feel stronger, more balanced, and more energized, right from their own kitchen. Today, we'll reveal 3 of the best natural powders to help you rebuild muscle, reduce inflammation, boost your energy and confidence, and the last one? It's a little-known superfood that could quietly change your entire wellness game. Let's dive in. Muscle loss after 60 is incredibly common. It's called sarcopenia, and it's the reason why everyday activities can start to feel more draining or even risky. What's even more frustrating? Most people think they're doing everything right, eating healthy meals, going for walks, but their strength keeps slipping. The truth is, as we age, our body doesn't process nutrients or protein the same way it used to. So even if you're eating enough, your muscles might not be getting what they truly need to stay strong. That's where these 3 simple powders come in. They're natural, they're proven, and they just might be the missing piece you've been looking for. Powder number 1, whey protein, the muscle rebuilder. Let's start with the foundation, whey protein powder. Now, if the word whey makes you think of bodybuilders at the gym, don't worry. That's a common reaction. But in truth, whey protein is one of the best tools for seniors over 60 to naturally build and protect muscle mass. Here's why. Whey is a complete protein, which means it provides all 9 essential amino acids your body needs but can't make on its own. It's packed with leucine, a powerful amino acid that literally signals your body to start repairing and building muscle. And best of all, it's easy to use, no intense workouts required. Just going for a brisk walk, doing a few light stretches, or using a resistance band and then enjoying a whey protein shake afterward can trigger real change. Pro tip: try to drink your whey shake within 30 to 60 minutes of movement. That's the sweet spot when your muscles are craving nutrients the most. What to look for? Go for grass-fed whey or whey isolate, low in lactose and easier to digest. Avoid artificial sweeteners and chemicals. Your body deserves better. Aim for 20 to 25 Gs of protein per serving. How to enjoy it? Mix it with almond milk, blend with banana and berries, or even stir into your oatmeal. Make it a part of your morning ritual, even on rest days. Not only does whey support muscles, it keeps you full, helps control blood sugar, and boosts your immune system, all from one scoop every day. Powder number 2, collagen peptides. Strengthen your foundation. Next up, collagen peptides, the unsung hero of healthy aging. Most people think of collagen as a beauty ingredient for skin. But did you know it's also one of the most important proteins for your joints, bones, tendons, and ligaments? Starting around age 25, your body produces less collagen every year, and by 60, that drop becomes serious. That morning stiffness in your knees? The ache in your hips after a walk? The slower recovery from light activity? That might not be just aging, it could be collagen loss. Here's where collagen peptides come in. They're a broken-down form of collagen your body can absorb easily, delivering the raw materials your body needs to repair connective tissues and support muscle function. Think of it like tightening the nuts and bolts holding your body together. Many seniors report, "I can walk longer without pain. My knees feel more stable. I finally got up from the couch without using my hands." What to do? Add 10 to 20 grams of collagen peptides to your daily routine. Stir into coffee, smoothies, soup, or tea, completely tasteless. Combine with vitamin C for best results. Think orange juice or a small supplement. Bonus: collagen supports skin hydration, hair growth, and bone health. That means you're not just moving better, you're glowing from the inside out. Powder number 3, spirulina, the green superfuel. Now for the dark horse, spirulina powder. This vibrant blue-green algae may look unusual, but it's one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet, especially for seniors looking to reclaim their energy and strength. Here's what makes spirulina so powerful. It's a complete plant-based protein, ideal if you don't eat much meat. Rich in iron, which fuels oxygen in your blood and boosts muscle performance. Loaded with magnesium, potassium, and B vitamins that fight fatigue and support nerve function, contains phycocyanin, a rare antioxidant that reduces inflammation and speeds recovery. If you felt sore after walking, cold hands or feet, low stamina, despite eating healthy, spirulina might be what your body's been missing. It even boosts blood flow, helping nutrients and oxygen get to your muscles more efficiently. How to take it? Start with 1/2 teaspoon and build up to 1 teaspoon per day. Mix with citrus juice or smoothies to mask its strong taste. Or take it in tablet form, easy, tasteless, and portable. Always choose organic, third-party tested spirulina grown in clean water like Hawaii or California to avoid heavy metals or toxins. Here's the truth. Aging doesn't mean giving up your strength. It doesn't mean settling for weakness, soreness, or low energy. Your muscles are still capable of growth, healing, and power, even after 60. You just need to give your body the right kind of help. So let's recap your new muscle-building toolkit. Whey protein. Fuels and repairs. Muscles quickly. Collagen peptides. Strengthens joints, tendons, and connective tissue. Spirulina. Boosts energy, reduces inflammation, and supports oxygen flow. These are simple, affordable powders that work naturally with your body. Start with one this week. Build a habit. And watch what happens. Imagine waking up with less stiffness, walking with better balance, carrying bags without second thoughts, playing with grandkids, or gardening without fear of pain. That's what strength really looks like. And it starts with one small scoop at a time. Found this video helpful? Give it a thumbs up so others can find it too. Got questions or already tried one of these powders? Leave a comment. We love hearing your stories and helping you feel your best. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly wellness tips. Thank you for spending time with us today. Here's to strength, confidence, and vitality at any age. You deserve it. See you in the next video.